slow, you know?
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah. Nothing to it.
Well, I'm cruising at half.
Oh, that's incredible.
Could you cruise it less than that or no?
Maybe.
Realizing he has absolutely zip wind without testing for how it stalls.
Oh, I'll do that, yeah.
I probably wouldn't do a wheel landing.
You have a headwind going that way. I think.
No, it's definitely a tailwind.
According to the sock.
No!
Number 2.
Oh my God.
A little better.
Do your typically scale type flying. Maybe that's the key. Come in with a little bit of power and a little bit of speed.
You have to 3-point it because the wheels are too small and it'll flip if you try and wheel land it.
But it works.
On concrete though, dude, at your house, this will be really fun for wheel landings.
Mm-hmm.
Feels good. Dead wind. Very, very slight crosswind. Nice.
Full up elevator, and there's a spin, and break out of it, and we're good. And I didn't use any rudder, that was just a real legit spin. That thing is so freaking slow.
I thought it would go slower.
You know, you don't have flaps.
Yeah.
120s didn't have flaps, though. 140s
The
did.
Porter goes slower. Maybe it's just bigger, so it looks slower.
Alright, landing. Perfect time, too.
Hey!
So what do you drop first, gear or flaps?
Gears down and welded.
On and
Oh!
Oh!
very good.
My butt!